I used to spend my first 2 hours at the office just simply digging through emails and drafting reports until my brain was fried before lunch. Then I found a way to automate most of my tedious tasks using the smartest minds on the planet simultaneously, and it completely saved my workday. Chatbot AI is a universal hub providing access to over 30 leading AI models such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and it's all within the one simple plan. It is designed specifically for working professionals to compose emails, reports, and complex translations without having to juggle multiple subscriptions. And guess what? Today, you can access every single premium feature on a trial for just $1. So make sure you get involved with the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Let's show you how it works. All right, folks, so let's check out chatbotapp.ai and show you all what we're talking about. So straight off the bat, I just love the minimalist mode. We've got the 15 chat models, 3 image models, and top tier level security we did discuss. Main big hitters obviously being ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. But we've also got like DeepSeek on there as well, which is pretty cool. So I love the fact that you're able to have access to all of them. So let's actually go straight into the actual chat component now, and we can actually have a look in real time how this looks. So we're gonna paste this in there. Want to draft a pro follow-up email to a client after a project strategy meeting, summarizing the discussion, outlining the steps, and maintaining a confident but friendly tone? So let's see how it looks. All right, so the subject is right there. We've got the client name. Hi, so-and-so. Thank you. Yep, the meeting summary's there. We've got the next steps and the timeline as requested. Looks good. And as you can see, we can actually change it over to Claude, for example, if we want to see what kind of output Claude will have. This is really great, being able to have Claude and ChatGPT within the same subscription. I think that's a huge upside, because maybe you're gonna like the response or the prompt answer that one gives over another. Let's have a look. Okay, so see how they are slightly different? Claude has gone ahead and used some emojis here. Here's what we draft together. North Star, top priority, still brewing, action steps. So see how Claude, the response was just a little bit more maybe playful with the emojis and stuff, and ChatGPT looked maybe slightly more professional, corporate vibe. So depending on what the business is, it really does make a big difference the type of email that you would want to respond with. So this is a perfect example. Explain the latest AI compliance regs, okay? So for business, handling customer data. All right, so we're just gonna go over and change it to Google Gemini now and give that a try. And we're gonna ask it to explain the AI's latest compliance regs for business handling customer data and see if Gemini, the third big hitter, can give us something that we're happy with. Bringing out some key compliance, next steps, bias auditing, governance frameworks, vendor due diligence. It's all there. Really nice. Yeah, keep coming down. Just having a bit of a look here. So as you can see, you really do get slight differentiations in the answers from the different AI systems because they are trained all quite different to handle slightly different issues and prompts more effectively than others. So yeah, pretty impressive. Key regulatory frameworks, that little bit coming out there. So it's still just processing. Got the requirements, limited risk. Vice. So it's given me a real comprehensive setup here. This is with DeepSeek now too as well. Common compliance requirements for businesses. So even DeepSeek is also giving some good answers on these prompts too, which is good to see. This is good. Nice. That was with DeepSeek Armad. So you can actually access it on multiple platforms. So of course you can access it on your phone, whether it's your mobile, desktop, of course, any browser. Your messages and history sync across all sessions, so that's pretty good as well. The different packages. So again, $1 to start today for free, $19.99 for the pro per month, or $40, $39.99 for the actual yearly if we actually want to go ahead with that. For the $39.99 per month as well for the following plan there, as we can see. So all the different benefits there. You got free pro and ultra pro as well. So yeah, I mean, I think at least going for the pro package is going to be great because you're getting all those important bits there. You can also get Grok in there as well, which actually is another really good addition too. So yeah, just to be able to use that comparison tool to see like the accuracy across different AIs, I think is massive. Because I think this is an issue that a lot of us are coming into now. We're developing bias depending on what AI we're actually using. And you know, it's not always good ever to rely on just one source of any information, even if it is AI. So I think the fact that, especially for something important, you should really be using, say you normally use ChatGPT, but then if it's something like really important and you're having a bit of a debate about maybe what the data is or how accurate it might be, then switch easily over to Gemini. Check it again on Grok. Go over and check it on DeepSeek, Claude. Because you want to make sure that you're getting the data that makes sense and that you're happy with. Because again, while AI is really effective and great, it's not always 100%. And that goes for all AI. So I think just having that comparison feature and being able to just compare them is just super valuable. And considering the Pro plan is just $19.99 per month, and you're getting access to all of those different AIs, that, in my opinion, is just quite a bargain, to be quite honest. Because even just ChatGPT alone, I believe, is quite possibly more than that just on its own. But you're going to be getting Chat, Google, Claude, DeepSeek, Grok all in one. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Stop letting busy work drain your energy. Click the link in the description right now to start your $1 trial of chatbotapp.ai and get your work under control today.